Please subscribe my channel and like videos. Best freelance websites to find work in 2022. Number 1. Upwork. Freelancing type: brand marketing, programming, website design. Pros: payment protection, credible clients, budget-based projects. Cons: lengthy selection process, high service fee. Upwork is a freelancing website that connects clients and freelancers from across the globe. The platform provides a wide range of categories, from web design and software development to customer service and accounting. Clients and freelancers have multiple ways to connect. Clients can choose to post a job and hire talent or buy a predefined service from the project catalog. Similarly, freelancers can access the job board and offer a service to sell. To get started as a freelancer with Upwork, begin by creating a profile. Ensure it includes details about yourself, your expertise, and your work experience. Keep in mind that clients will decide whether you are qualified by scanning through your profile whenever you bid for jobs or pitch a project. Upwork has a sliding scale, meaning the more you work, the less money you pay. For example, the commission fee starts from 20% for the first bill of $500 and gradually reduces as you receive more money. Number 2. Toptal. Freelancing type: software development, financial consulting, interim management. Pros: top-tier companies and talent, free invoicing and payments. Cons: extensive screening process, big projects only. Toptal is a freelance website that connects highly qualified freelance industry experts with companies. Toptal has a broad range of freelancers, from web developers and web designers to finance consultants and product managers. Applying to Toptal as a freelancer requires passing 5 steps of the screening process, from a comprehensive English evaluation to a project assessment. This process ensures only the top 3% make it to the platform. After passing all of the steps, you'll have access to various job postings from top clients and companies, such as Motorola and Airbnb. However, failing the test will put your application process on hold for up to a few months. Toptal has a dedicated service for time tracking and invoicing called Top Tracker. With this service, freelancers will get the total price they offer and receive payments via Payoneer, PayPal, or direct local bank transfer. Number 3. Fiverr. Freelancing type: digital marketing, web development, social media. Pros: diverse category, free registration, online courses. Cons: high commission charge, long payment process. Fiverr is a platform that connects freelancers with business owners looking for services in various digital projects, including website design, content writing, and voiceovers. This freelance website provides a streamlined method for both freelancers and business owners to interact with one another. Note that on the website, freelancers are called sellers, their services gigs, and business owners buyers. Instead of sending out bids, sellers can sign up for free, list their gigs, and set their prices. Meanwhile, buyers can simply browse through different categories to purchase. Whenever a buyer purchases a gig, the system automatically charges their account and puts the money on hold. The system will then take a commission fee and send freelancers 80% of the offered price. Depending on each freelancer's seller level, it can take up to 14 days to withdraw their earnings. There are multiple options to withdraw the payments, such as debit card, PayPal, and wire transfer.